Hello, welcome to another review. Today I'm showing you the Yeti, which is a USB microphone made by Blue Microphones. I have to say, hands down, this is the best microphone I've ever used or seen. This is literally a speechless of a microphone, because why I say it's literally speechless is because I can't give it enough praises in words to tell you how good this microphone is. I'm going to have to show you. So later on in this video, I will definitely be giving you a sound sample and demo to show you why this microphone, in my personal opinion, is one of the best microphones out on the market, because this is outstanding. I'm going to go around the microphone before I give you a sound demo, and go around some of the features of this brilliant microphone, and tell you a bit more about it. So then, go around the microphone. On the front here you have a mute switch, so this obviously mutes the sound. Now, I do like that because I've never really seen a mute button on something like this before on the microphone, all built in. That's really handy because I don't have to keep muting on the PC or Mac, wherever I'm using at the time. That also has got a red LED light, so once I plug it in, that will light up to say it's active and ready to go. And it also flashes if I actually put it onto mute, so it tells you it's on mute. And then obviously if it's solid, it means it's off mute, so really do like that. Here you have a volume control, which I'll explain a bit more about in a minute. On the bottom you have right here your input for your USB cable, which is included, by the way. And then you have a threaded mic stand. So if you didn't want to use this stand here that come with the microphone, and want to use your own, then you can actually put in a threaded microphone stand. Then the next one here is a input for a set of headphones, and this is where your microphone comes in. So your volume comes in right in here, because with your headphones plugged in, you can actually monitor how loud this microphone is picking up wherever you're going to be recording. So if it's just voice, you can hear it. If it's a band, you can just ask your band to quickly play a few things where you get the levels right. So I do like that, because it's not a feature I've really seen in microphones before, so I'm really impressed with that. And what I'm even more impressed with is on the back, in conjunction with using your headset and the volumes on the front here, you also got a gain knob here, so you can alter your gain on the microphone to get the sound levels right. So if you need to be a bit louder, then you just turn your gain up. If you need to be a bit lower, just turn your gain down. So you can do all that on the microphone. So you don't need to use software or your Windows controls or your Mac controls to adjust your sound levels, which can be done on the microphone. Brilliant, I reckon. Seriously, that's a really good touch, and that's why I really love the Yeti. So I think that's a really nice thing to have done. So hands off to Blue for doing that. The next one down here is your pickup pattern, which I'll definitely be explaining a lot more about right now. You can adjust how your microphone picks up. Now, there is 4 different patterns this microphone can pick up. Stereo, Cardioid, so it's where it picks up in the front, Omnidirectional, and bidirectional. So stereo will basically picks up, if you talk out the left side, it's going to come out of your left side of your speaker. If you talk out the right side, it's going to come out the right side of your speaker. Or talk in the centre, then it's going to come out both sides of your speakers. That's how your stereo works. Your Cardioid pickup pattern basically picks up right in front of the microphone here, and just slightly out to the side, not too much, only a bit. You can't go like out here, it just won't pick you up. And then you got the omnidirectional, which basically is a 360 degrees pickup pattern, so it will pick up by like that around the mic. So if you got this in the centre of your room, it will basically pick up all the way around your room. That's how that works. Then you got your bidirectional, which is you pick up sound directly at the back, right here, going into here, and directly at the front. So that's how that works. So this, using them different pickup patterns, you can pretty much cover anything you want to record. Bands, music, solos, if you're in a duet, podcasts, vocals, voiceovers, interviews, conferences. It's going to do a lot, seriously. This, I'm just not impressed with this. As I've always said, words really cannot describe how good it is. The build quality on this is high standard, and the design is just gorgeous. Really.
Right, now we are back now, and we are actually on the Blue Yeti, and this is your sound, voice, music, vocal, whatever test you want, wherever you want to call it. Basically, now the rest of this review is going to be using the Blue Yeti microphone. So I am in stereo mode, which is the main one I'm going to show you, because it's really a impressive feature of this microphone is the stereo pickup pattern. I am talking directly in front now, so you should hear me out both your speakers. Now if I just move over to the left, you should hear me talking out your left speaker. And if I'm over here on the right and talking to the right side, you should only hear me coming out your right speaker. So that's how your stereo works. Now I'm back in the front, and you should now hear me in the front, just talking. So yeah, I do like the stereo, and matter of fact, I'm going to be playing some music through my iPad, and this will give you a better demo of how the stereo works. So this will give you a good, give you how good the sound quality is, but also how the stereo works even better. Sound smooth left and right. And it should be the same with your speakers. What I'm going to do now is just switch out to different patterns. So now we're on the Omnidirectional. So you can hear this all the way around. Like so. And now we're on Cardioid, so you should hear it on the front here. As it gets to the side, you should hear it less and less and less. And now we're on bidirectional, so you can hear it on the front, you should hear it on the back, but you won't hear it so much on the sides. And back onto stereo, and that is basically how all your different pickup patterns work. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the Blue microphones, and especially the Yeti, because as you've just heard, the sound quality is amazing. And the reason why you can sound as good as this sound is this microphone is THX certified. This is actually the first microphone to be THX certified, so you know you're going to be getting a really good sound from this microphone because it is THX certified. So just remember that, THX certified. So yeah, brilliant microphone, absolutely outstanding, and I'm really impressed with the Yeti. Well, that's it from me. I'd like to thank the PR team for sending us out this to review. We really do appreciate it. And as always, look out for my next reviews, and until the next time, we will see you later.